Tired of losing that flimsy red fuel cap on your Ram diesel? What if you could protect your fuel tank from dirt, water, and debris while making every fill-up easier? This upgraded fuel cap fits Ram diesel models, except some 2019 versions, and is designed to save you from costly engine repairs by keeping contaminants out, because every drop of fuel matters. I switched to this cap after dealing with the factory red one that always seemed to blow away or get lost. The moment I tried it, the difference was clear. The strong neodymium magnet holds the cap firmly to the truck's fuel door hinge while I fill up, so no more chasing it down in the wind. Plus, the raised grip design makes it effortless to remove and replace, even with gloves on. It includes 2 sizes of O-rings, ensuring a snug, leak-proof fit that beats the standard plastic cap every time. The anodized green finish with diesel laser engraving isn't just stylish, it's built to last. If you're ready to stop worrying about lost caps and protect your Ram's fuel system, this cap is worth a look. It comes with a lifetime warranty, so if you ever run into issues, replacement is hassle-free. Many Ram owners swear by it for its durability and convenience. Try it when you're ready, and see how a small upgrade can make a big difference.